So what is the initial prescription of an obese individual to lose weight? Lifestyle modification, low calorie diet, very low calorie diet, lipase inhibitor as per your discretion. Please rule out the vitamin D deficiency in these patients. If they are deficient, give vitamin D. Metformin as needed. HCG protocol. Only if the patient is, first is you should be motivated. First you should, because it is your protocol. And then the patient is motivated, because it is like a marriage between you and your patient. For 40 days you are together. So a wonderful program. GLP-1 agonist, bupropion or topiramate as needed. Antioxidant like coenzyme Q10, resveratrol, vitamin E, vitamin C. Again, as per your discretion. Lipid lowering agent, definitely statins should be there. Vitamins and mineral support has to be there. Replace the, one of the very important thing here is replace the obesity inducing medication with the weight neutral medication. Patients are on the medication which are obesity inducing. Patients are on anti-epileptic. Some of the anti-epileptic, they themselves cause weight gain. Patients are on calcium channel blocker, which may cause weight gain. Patients are on beta blockers, very high dose of beta blocker, which can still cause depression along with weight gain, a lot of metabolic issues. We are not changing it. We are just recommending to the physician, is there a possibility that these medicines of the patient can be changed to a weight neutral medicine? And physicians have always been very kind enough to do that favor to us, because they understood that we are taking care of this patient for the weight management part. So here comes like a, you have to communicate it with the physician of the patient also. So don't try to eradicate the other physician. He is there. He has been helping the patient since very long. Hormone correction like growth hormone, testosterone, progesterone, estrogen, DHEA. I just got a comment from Dr. Smita madam, Shapurkar madam, and I took a permission from her to share this with you that she started using DHEA. She's an MD medicine, one of the leading physician in Osmanabad. She started using DHEA 1 month back, and her statement was very simple. But Deepak, my life changed with DHEA supplementation. She's there. You can talk to her later on. Melatonin, low dose of thyroid, T3, again question mark, highly debatable, and on that Dr. Maulik madam will be talking, subclinical thyroid states. Role of T3 in weight management. Off label it has been used a lot. Gymnasiums, people have been using T3 like anything. I have seen people taking 100 micrograms of T3. That is too much, 100 microgram of T3 just to lose weight. But yes, if a patient is really low T3 syndrome and a patient is not responding to any of the treatment, off-label use, short-term use of T3 can be thought of, but it should be supervised. It should be documented. Everything should be written on paper. It should be explained to the patient, I am giving you a very short course of T3, just for this purpose. Thyroid itself has a lot of indications other than hypothyroidism. So read about it as much as you can. L-carnitine, berry extract, Garcinia, a lot of off-label products. Again, depending upon how confident you are, how logical you are, how can you really explain what you have written? Because medical-legal issues are always knocking at the door. So once you have the knowledge, once you can defend yourself, do. And you are not harming the patient.